What's up, guys? I wanted to introduce you guys to my best friend, Zeus. I love him so much. He's such a good boy. But I realized that he does not have a cool collar. His collar right now is this like basic collar I found from Petco. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to create this chain for him. Let's get right into it. It is a thick, heavy-duty stainless steel chain, so open up the section of the chain that's not soldered. Put the tip of the cutter onto the open section of the chain link. Press down. When you press down, it will open up the chain link, but it won't be wide enough at first to slide it off. So we're just gonna go back and repeat the same thing a few different times in different angles of the chain to see if we can get it to open up more. So once you go ahead and apply that pressure with the cutter in different angles, this chain link will open up wide enough to where you can just slide it off of the chain. Next, grab your jump ring, use your set of pliers to open it up. Attach it to one side of the tiger head and then attach it to the chain link and use your set of pliers to close the jump ring, pass it, and then come back to where they meet. That click is super essential to hear because that's going to indicate that this jump ring has no open section left behind and it won't slide off. Since I am putting this on my dog, I want it to be extra secure. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 3 jump rings on each side just to have that extra durability because I don't want this to break off of him while he's wearing it. So I just went ahead and opened up the jump ring, attached it to the chain and attached it to the panther head and then closed it off. Go in one more time with the 3rd jump ring, open it up, attach the 2 loops, and close it up. And then on the opposite side, you want to make sure to bring the chain around all facing the same direction so that when you apply the jump ring, the chain isn't twisted and not sitting lopsided. Use your set of pliers to open up the jump ring, attach it to the chain and the clasp, and close up. Repeat the same thing with the 2 other jump rings as well. And that's it, guys. In order to open up the clasp, this middle section is a ring clasp, so all you would need to do is press down and slide the panther off and then just slide it back in.
Yeah. Good boy. Good.
Although I did make this chain for Zeus, it is such a cool statement gothic moment with the Panther Clasp in the front. If you guys like this style, you can totally make it for yourself. He brought his ball, he wants to play. Sit. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and I hope I'll see you guys in the next video.